Three, two, one. Mic is on. Recording is on. Timer is on. The screen is getting shared. I'm visible. I'm moving. Bullshit, man. Coding is getting cranked up, man. You should not have. Look at the Hangistan. It is happening. Fuck off, man. So Euro. Let's go on step by step. Okay, these are the currencies which I'm actually looking into. Let's do the trade recap, trade review of the today. So today is Wednesday. Let's do the trade review. The first trade was the Euro AUD. I was waiting. I fucking predicted this move, yeah, like crazy. I'm just fucking not in this trade, man. What the fuck is happening? Encoded overloaded. I have literally predicted this move that is gonna go up. I have video on it, but it is not uploaded yet. I just don't get time to shift from the Mac to my phone and then upload shit. A lot of videos are still remaining to upload. So I literally predicted it is gonna go up. Now candlestick is gonna close above. So we're waiting for the we got the break. So previously we were waiting for a break and retrace about over here. So now right now we got the break. So we'll wait for the retracement to this structure, to this EMA, to this line, to this alarm, and then we will be taking a trade to the upside. That is our trade update of Euro or next is Euro USD. It is looking brilliantly beautiful to take the trade to the upside, but I'm just not gonna take the trade to the upside because it is brilliant, man. This looks solid, like break, retest, engulfing. Ah, but I'm just not gonna take the trade because of the weekly. Weekly haven't created that week to the downside. It is gonna come down. It is very high chances because every single candle have the week. There is a one in a hundred candle. That candle don't have week to the bottom or upside. Right now we created the week to the upside, but it is still remaining to create the downside. So it's gonna very 99% chance that it's gonna come down till here to create the week. So I'm just not ready to buy yet. Next is a oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Look at this. Look at this John right there. This is what I'm telling you. This has we were saying when the market was right here. It was looking brilliant to buy, but I haven't buy because it's gonna come down. Where is my marker right there? Just a second. Yeah. Look at this. It's gonna come down right till here to create that fucking week. This week needs to get created. The same way, Euro USD is not ready to go to the upside because the week haven't got created. That line under is not created, but of a USD that line got created. So now we are ready to go to the upside. But look at when it is created at the Wednesday evening. So we just have like a 1 or 2 days maximum. It's a bit tricky down there. So we created a higher high. Now we created a beautiful higher low. It's like exactly like this. Look at this. We created the blue candle. We created doji. We created blue candle. We created doji. Now we creating the red candle. Now we creating the red candle. Next candle is gonna be blue candle again. Fucking shit. This is gonna get happen. So now I'm just waiting for now. So now 4 hours got bearish. So now 4 hours got bearish. So I'm waiting for the shift. Look at this chart right there. I'm waiting for literally break and retest of this area. If we got the break, we got the retest. I'm gonna take the trade to the upside. If we got, we got. If we don't, we don't. Simple is that. We technically getting the 30-minute shifter structure right there, but I'm just be more cautious and be more, like I want this 1 hour break and retest. So it's New York session started. AUD is looking good to me as well. Look at this AUD. If AUD USD is gonna go up, Euro odd is gonna go down. So look at this. How fuck the Euro odd is gonna go down. It's we're waiting for the retracement. If this is gonna go down, that means this is gonna go up. Fucking shit, this is fucking getting match. Wow, brilliant. So now I'm waiting for a break and retest. It's gonna have today break and retest. Tomorrow will be getting the trade at 6:30 a.m. Tomorrow we'll get a trade. We'll be having when that break and retest is gonna get happen. We'll have the beautiful engulfing on the 4 hours time frame. This looks solid to me. A lot solid. A lot solid. Yeah. It looks brilliantly good. The next coming to the EuroCAD. The next is EuroCAD. We were waiting for the price to come back to retrace to this area to go up. It never come back. Never took the trade. Sorry, sir. Next is NZD-CAD. We have predicted this move is gonna get happen. Am I in this trade? Absolutely, absolutely not. Oh! I haven't predicted this. The Alex have predicted this, and I technically missed this trade because I haven't predicted. I was because it was not that much looking good, but I mean I pretty much missed this trade. But for when I'm doing the Sunday swings, I pretty much missed this trade. But this trade was solid, and also in our intraday trade, in our fucking intraday trade, we hit the take profit. But the only thing is, I was not into the trade because we are still into this growing intraday thing. Look at this. If we do every single thing correctly, it's very hard to do losses. Very, very hard. And brother, hello, 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 बंदा ना तरीके से लगा देते हैं.